YouTube, man. As y'all can see, man, got a POV for y'all, man. Y'all see the title on the thumbnail, man. Y'all see how we, you feel me? I'm finna show you the cars we got out, man. Finna show y'all the cars we got, man. We got that shit outside, man. We got the 5.7 Jeep right here, you feel me? We got the 300 motherfucker, you feel me? We got my dog right here doing, I don't even know what the hell he doing. We got the Super B motherfucker, you feel me? We got that Scat motherfucker. Scat motherfucker right here, man. But y'all see the title in the thumbnail. Y'all know what time we on. We in the hood with it. We got Draco with us. Cutting up in the hood with it, you feel me? We got some more cars right there, y'all. But I'm trying to get out this content, man. Y'all went crazy in the last video. We had like almost 300K on that video. You feel me? So let's get another one jumping, you feel me?
Like a naked strip. Nah, no sir.
Y'all can see, man, they got that shit out.
Let me see what I want.
He just walked that motherfucker. I ain't gonna cap it.
We just made a left on state.
That's all I can see, man. We in sport mode in that motherfucker. Straight 8 motherfucker.
They got them dicks everywhere.
All in the big ass boats, you feel me? I can't tell if that's 12 or not. I ain't gonna lie to you. This bitch popping. You don't wanna rate that motherfucker. Bro, chill the fuck out, dumbass nigga. Fuck is you saying stop for? Man, fuck them state niggas. Fuck nigga. As y'all can see, man, getting active in the hood. You feel me?
Oh shit! Oh! Hey boy, I'm finna start a fucking YouTube channel, boy. They tell you fuck it up.
Hell nah.
Hell no.
Not right here. Bro, these niggas in the trenches with it. They in the trenches with it, huh? Yeah, trenches with it. Man, the biggest boats with me, man. The most wanted biggest boats with me. Goddamn. You hear me?
Took advantage of the rocks.
Oh, God.
Hit me though.
Finna pick y'all back up in a minute, man. As y'all can see. That go a trap house right there, y'all.
Trap house trapped out. Every bag gone now.
They in the trenches with it, God. Getting the content. Getting the content. Bro, getting active up there. Y'all can't even show y'all.
No mouth. No mouth.
Yeah. Nah. Fuck no.
No.
Chill the fuck out for a second. Chill out for a quick little second. Yeah, I'm finna shake up to this. Man, y'all see the guys. The guys pull up crazy. Crazy. We even got the Nissan motherfucker. Y'all got the hat.
Hey, who dropped
And
that shit?
who dropped they sponge?
Who dropped that shit? Did you?
Nah, that ain't me, hey.
You good?
Yeah. That's one guy.
How you feeling, gang?
That bitch lit.
That bitch lit, you feel me? Put up in the SRT, went stupid. But y'all, man, I turned that bitch up and nobody recorded it. Damn. You went behind me. You went in front of me.
I was the first one.
BJ was behind me, bro. I walked that bit though. I ain't even recorded, gang. I had to have both hands on the steering wheel. It wasn't lit. We was lit. Big difference.
Nigga, that was the one around too. You gonna make it lit?
Where your shirt go?
He lost his shirt and the shirt for my hat went.
He ran from 12 already.
Hey, who the fuck? No, I'm finna beat niggas ass. Hey, off camera, I'm finna whoop niggas ass, y'all. Just know I'm really him. Yeah, I'm telling the police on him first. Yeah, don't do that shit by my car, bitch ass nigga. What the fuck is wrong with you? Fuck, nigga.
We turned that bitch up, didn't
No, nigga, you almost killed me 3 times.
we? We turned that bitch up.
Fuck what you talking about?
That was.
Y'all did turn that bitch up though. They was like, Hellcats, SAT, niggas coming with all these. Hey, though, don't, nigga, you almost killed me 3 times. Like real shit. You gotta chip. You gotta. What?
Follow me on Nate.
Hey, y'all, man, that's gonna end the video, man. Y'all turn me up, run the lights up, run the songs up.
Yeah,
Let's
run them
go.
up. Subscribe.
He ugly as fuck.
You gonna make your video go down, cuz.
You might as well start that over, bro. Anything.
Subscribe.
Anything, bro.
What you gotta say to the tube before I get up out of
All
here?
y'all niggas out here weak as fuck. Like, I'll put all y'all in y'all shit right now.
Tight shit, tight shit, tight shit, tight shit.
Hey, bro, what is he on?
Giveaway.
Y'all. Hey. What Kodak say?
Fucking that bitch, I'm a stud.
Fucking days look like a stud.
Fucking that love, I'm a stud.
And $500,000 giveaway.
Bro, you know you can't do it.
Yo, he trying to get on there with the guy. With the guys.
That's a homie, bro.
Alright, tell him about it though.
Hey, bro, that's
Ooh!
I was 19 years old with 400,000. Now that my my bank, nigga on my fucking neck. One Ferrari, got into a wreck and got a faster one. Had a bitch who sucked a sucking dick and got a nasty one. If you don't like the way the truth sounded, don't ask me not. Kick it with. Look, I kick it with a thought. If she really in the class to win. Spent 2 million on my mom alone, oh she glad I'm signed. Still pulling out these burnt holes with a magnum on. It's free BG into that nigga.